Hello guys, I'm 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐎 from IT Expert, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 10 USB stick. So first things first, you need a USB to create it, at least of 8 GB capacity. So what you need to do, go to Google in your web browser and search for Windows Media Creation Tool, and the first link will be the software. If you can find it, I will post the link below in the video description, and scroll down and just click download tool. It will download fast because it's a small tool. And now you can go to your downloads and open it. Okay, the software opened. And now you need to wait a bit to get a few things ready, as Microsoft normally does. In some parts of this video, I will fast forward the video because I don't want to make a 10-minute video and waiting for the loading part. And okay, we have our notices and the license terms. You can read it if you want. If not, as any normal people people do, just click accept. Then it's getting another few things ready, as Microsoft does. And we are back. And what you want to do, you don't want to upgrade your PC now, you want to create an installation USB drive. Okay, next, here you can leave the the recommended settings on, or you can select your language. It has lots of them. I will select English United States, then Windows 10. And architecture, you can select either 32-bit, which I don't think it's good for you, or 64-bit, or both of them. In your case, I would select 64-bit. Then just click next. And in the next step, it will ask you if you want to build a flash drive. It needs at least 8 GB of space, or download the ISO file. You can do both, but later on with the ISO file you need to do further steps. I will show this in another tutorial where I will show you how to create a Windows 7 and a Windows 8 USB. For the moment, just click USB flash drive and next. And you need to plug in your stick and select it. I have my USB plugged in, it's a Kingston Data Traveler, and just click next. And now it's getting a few things ready. This will take some time, depending on your bandwidth, because it needs to download the ISO, and at the same time it will need to build the stick. If your stick is slow, it will take more time, so I recommend the USB-free stick. Now we have to wait. I will fast forward the video and get back to you when it's done. So as you see, the creation of the USB drive is done. So now your work is done. You can start installing the Windows on the PC or laptop you want. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and you can also find me on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video.